Hi guys and welcome back. Adam here, and today we're doing unboxing of the Bosch Go professional screwdriver. Okay guys, so this is basically the Go professional screwdriver, of course from Bosch, and we're just gonna do a quick review on it. Why would I need something like that? All right, I generally use whenever I need to screw wood or screw something, hinge or panel of electrical appliances in the house. I use my Makita cordless drill, and it does the job. However, it's not light enough, it's not small enough to reach in all places, and here and there will be some struggle. That's why I decided to get me this screwdriver. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, so we have the screwdriver, and we have basically a hard case for the screwdriver, a charging USB charger, and 2 bits, and anything else in the box. So basically, guys, we only have the hard case with a mold place for the unit 2 to fit in. We have place for 2 fizzy bits, and basically it. All right, so as usual, the hard case, Bosch hard case. Manual, nothing else. Okay. Charging cable, and 2 Bosch Fizzbit number 1 and Fizzbit number 2 1/4" hex. All right. So, okay, from the first glance on the unit, okay, it is the Bosch Go, and the model number is 3601 JH2 100. Basically, the 2 is for generation 2, and the 100 is basically for the current year production, which is 2020. Okay, if we look at the screwdriver, basically we have here we have LED indicator for the charge, for the charging capacity or the charge status of the unit. We have here a macro USB charging board, which is suitable for all chargers that are available for mobile phone. Make this unit perfect to charge in a house, in a car, or anywhere where is needed. So it's no problem to get it on charge. It's got a lithium battery, and it's about 6 watt hour basically battery, and it takes 1.5 hours to charge from basically depletion. We have here on the front of the unit, we have a torque setting, and it's basically from 1 to 6. We have 6 setting. Max is 5 Newton meter or 3.7 foot-pound, and the minimum is 2.5 Newton meter, which is equivalent 1.8 foot-pound. All right. The head here, we have the hex, internal hex, quarter inch, and in here we have our on-off button. I don't know actually if it's yeah, it's got some charge in it. You can see the green indicator is going on. And this is the rotational selection basically. This is basically clockwise and this anti-clockwise to loosen. Okay, it's got also a third mode here. By putting the selector in the middle, you actually working the screwdriver as manual. You lock, it's actually a spindle lock in the middle. When you have it in the middle position, you spindle lock the tool and use it as a manual screwdriver. It has two ways of this screwdriver to activate. You can put it on the clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you press the button and it basically will turn. Or the second mode, basically by pressing down on the unit. Okay, so I have it here on the minimum torque, and I got a block of wood, and let's see what can we expect. So okay, this is the minimum torque. Maximum torque, let's see. No struggle at all. It's actually got a bit of a torque on it. Oops. Okay, let's actually do it on the, let's do it and undo it. Okay guys, that's all. That was unboxing and review of the Bosch Go professional screwdriver. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give us a like, subscribe for our future videos. Till the next time, stay safe. Thank you.